Hi guys, Neha will be joining as intern. She'll be joining the team from today onwards. She'll be available. So is there anything you want to say, Neha?
Yeah, sure, sir. First of all, thanks a lot for giving me this opportunity. And I'll try my best to do ethical journalism and bring out the truth in front of people.
Ethical journalism. Wow, great. I hope you will be able to do ethical journalism like us. Anyways, all the best. Thank you. Bye bye. Hello?
Hi, sir. Neha this side.
Yeah, Neha, tell me.
Sir, I've been working on this story since the past few weeks.
So what's the title?
It's about the groundwater level in the city.
The title, what is it?
The title is How Groundwater Will Vanish from a City in a Few Years.
Nah, it's too boring. Find something catchy and spicy. This is not gonna work. And I'm busy, I'll talk to you later. Bye.
Okay, thanks. Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
So there's a case, rape of a minor in the city.
What is the title?
Minor raped in the city again.
Okay. The girl is a Hindu?
I guess, yeah.
What about the rapist?
Both are Hindu.
Oh, sad. Which area is he from?
Abdul Colony.
Yeah, so perfect. Title it like this. A Hindu minor raped in a Muslim colony. Perfect.
Sir,
Yeah.
why are we creating all this?
Don't interfere in this, okay? Do what I've told you. Neha, what the hell were you doing in the debate?
So it was a fruitful debate where everyone got an opportunity to talk.
Didn't I ask you to shout on the guest? What were you doing?
But sir, that is wrong.
It's not about right or wrong. These debates are like reality shows. People want to see fight, controversy. What are you doing? This is your first and last warning. Understood? Karun, this is a flop show. Buy some TRP for this.
Sure, sir.
We buy TRPs for a show.
Yeah, everyone does. Big deal.
Finally, I got my perfect story.
Really? What is it?
You remember Rahul Dhawan?
Yeah, that villainer.
Yeah, the same guy. His son, he killed some pedestrians yesterday.
I know. But you know, I think Nijo sir has removed that story.
What? But why?
I don't know. I think they received some donation from the Dhawan company. You know, I think you should really not get into it.
Okay. I'll just come, huh? So I need to talk to you.
Yeah, sit.
So why aren't we doing the Rahul Dhawan's son story?
There is some external pressure in that.
So this is not done.
What?
So I used to look up to you. You were the reason why I became a journalist in the first place. I joined this news channel because I wanted to work with you. Because I used to believe that what you're showing is true. Things the way they are. It's real. But I was wrong. It's all fake. Fake news, fake TRPs, fake strategies.
So what do you want me to do?
I want you to stop it. Stop all of this.
So ask them to stop first.
Ask who?
All those people who wants to see entertainment. That's it. They want to see fights, they want to see controversy, they want to see negativity. Tell me one news channel which is doing well without showing all this. Ask them to stop consuming this bullshit, then I'll stop making it. Till then, go back to your seat, make fake news and earn money for this company, okay? I don't want to listen to your lectures. Nowadays, the news channels are full of fake, controversial and spicy content. If we really want to change this content, we have to make sure to not search entertainment in facts and news. That's it for this story. See you next Friday. Khuda Hafiz and stay positive. If you are facing any psychological or relationship problem, then you can join our group by the name Nijo Positive. It's a community counseling group wherein you can discuss your problems and people will try to solve or give support with positivity. Link is in the description below. Bye-bye.